Thank y'all for tuning into my channel. So, I'm doing an unboxing. I just came back from walking Coco, and what was at the door? My package. So y'all know I love to cook, and I have been needing a cutting board. So, I found this off of Amazon. It's by Eat Neat, okay? And it's a 2-piece bamboo cutting board set. I love bamboo. I love bamboo. So we have this small one here. This is so neat. Okay. I love bamboo. So you have one for your meat and one for your cheeses and veggies. There you go. And I believe this set was a little over $19. But I really don't care what it costs, because whatever I want, I'm getting it. I work for me. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to put these babies to work. I'm going to be fixing some burgers and some fries for dinner tonight. So I think I use this small one for the burger. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning into my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye.